back to my channel. Yeah, in today's video it's going to be interesting, okay, because I'm going to take you thrifting with me at the local market. If you're new to my channel, subscribe, give this video a huge thumbs up, and leave your comments and contributions in the comment section below. So I'm going to share a few tips before we get started. What I want to tell you is that, number one, thrifting in Nigeria may not be thrifting wherever you are, okay? Because right here in this country, thrifting demands that you are pretty smart and very active, and you are not darling. Guys, I'm trying to say that if you're going to thrift in this country, if you're going to thrift anywhere, I've thrifted before. I've done thrifting in Calabar and Abuja, and if you're going to thrift in those places, you've got to have eyes, man, because you're basically going to eyeball everything except the seller is really nice enough to allow you to try them out, okay? I was able to try out literally everything I got from the thrift market, but I'm going to show you guys, okay, what it looks like, a little clip of what the thrift market looks like. And you need to understand that going to the thrift market, you need your sunglasses because the weather is so hot. A face cap, yeah, I had to go with a face cap. And then you're going to need really easy clothing, you know, something you can bend, because you're going to bend. You are going to bend to select the stuffs you want, guys. It's not a boutique, it is a bend down select boutique. So, okay, you know what I'm saying? Second hand. But I'll share with you guys a couple of things that I got and how much they all cost, okay? So stick around, don't go anywhere, and let me know if you love my hair. Baby girl, you got no choice. Baby girl, baby boy. Welcome back. So everything I spent in that market was literally just $5 grand, including my transportation fare, and $5 is barely $15, okay? Yeah, right? I'll do the conversion and I'll put it in the video. $5 is barely $15. I'm going to show you a couple of things that I got, and you guys just stick around, okay? Okay, you know what? I'm going to add with the things I also got from the Alima Feed Foundation, okay? The sales that went down. You guys, I need you to guys go watch that vlog. It was amazing. So, but from the thrift market, these are a few of the things that I picked up. Now, you guys, this gown is a wrap gown, okay? It's a normal gown actually, but then at a point it has this other side. You wrap it round, okay? And then, guys, this gown is bomb on me. I'm going to wear it in a new video when I'll be filming my Xmas party, you know, yeah, Christmas party outfit haul. I'm going to wear this gown. I've not worn it before, so I don't want to wear it in this video because I'm really stressed. I'm tired already. This gown and a couple of other gowns, I'm going to show you. There were 3 of them. They came together, and I got them for $2 grand, okay? Yeah, I got them for 2,000 naira. I leave the dollar equivalent on the screen rather. So that was one of them. This is also a second one. This is like a long jacket, guys. The reason why I love this jacket, I had to pick it in the place of another jacket I saw. This jacket is amazing, okay? I got this jacket plus the gown that I just showed you, and these are the gown. If you have not watched my t-shirt video, go check it out. I got 3 of them for $2 grand, and they're so perfect. They didn't have any problems. God, you guys, you won't see that anywhere, not in your boutique ever. So I got a few jumpsuits. Yeah, y'all. Okay, now can y'all see that? I got this beautiful pair of Colette jumpsuits. Okay, and it was for 400 naira. Okay, that's like almost like $1.20 or $1.15 thereabouts. And this is another jumpsuit I got too. Okay, for literally the same price, 400 naira. That's like $1 and a few cents. And I got this top, guys. I love this top. If you've not watched my Lima Foundation video, go check it out. This is in peach color. I don't know, my camera is not really bringing out the color of this top, but the color is peach, and it is so beautiful because I have a bag that goes with it so well. And yep. And then I got 2 pantyhose. So all of the things that I got with 2 lovely pantyhose cost just 5 grand plus my transportation fare to and fro. The market is quite far, so let's say I spent over 700 naira for transportation, so everything is like 4,300 thereabouts. I didn't spend more than that, nothing more than that. Then I got a few rings, okay, like what I'm wearing here. Yeah, I got a bunch of them, rings and all of that. I got 3 of this kind of rings for 500 naira. That's barely $1.40. And you guys, that is that. Okay, I'll share with you the things that I got from the Halima Foundation sales, so stick around. Alright guys, so I have to stand because some of the stuffs are here. Now from the Halima Foundation sales that went on, I spent basically 6 grand, okay, in naira though. So that's like $20 thereabout, and I'm going to show you the things that I got for that money's worth. Guys, look at this. The quality of this fabric is so amazing. You guys wait until I film a haul with it. This is bomb, guys. And then I got this cute skirt. Now they didn't come with individual prices because it was like the sales was like kind of a pick the stuffs you like, tell us the price you want to pay for it, and then you're good. So I got this skirt. This white skirt fits perfectly. I literally eyeballed a couple of these things because I was too tired to even try them on there. But when I got home, they were awesome. Awesome. Like, okay, so I have a little black dress here. This is a bodycon dress, and what? Oh, you guys better wait until I try this dress on, you know what I mean? Then these ones are my favorites. These are my favorite. Can you see that? I got me a Christmas dress. Yeah, I already washed and ironed all of them. So this is a red dress, a bodycon red dress. This dress is everything, guys. Check that out, okay? It has that open back there behind, and then it is just perfect. I have something like this in white already. No, my sister does. My sister has something like this in white, and then I have it in red. Ours is a bit shorter than this. Okay, I think I've worn it before, but I've not filmed with it. Maybe when I do. And then these jumpsuits. This is an Ankara jumpsuit. Guys, this jumpsuit is everything. It is everything. Don't argue with me. I know what I'm saying, okay? This is everything. Now, let's get to the bags. Can y'all beat that? Guys, this bag was just 1 grand, and this belongs to my friend. Okay, I had to buy for her. She had to show her the sales going on online, and she was like, "Why you gonna get me something?" So she got this bag for 1 grand. 1 grand, guys. This is not even up to $3. Okay, then this brown bag too was also for just 1 grand. This is pure leather bag, you guys. I'm not even joking with this bag. I love leather bags, and I love brown. And the last brown bag I had was just rubbish, so I had to throw it away when I got this. And then I got this beautiful jelly bags. Okay, there were 2 of them, but I had to get this bag. Is big enough to fit my phone. My phone is quite big. Yeah, my phone is quite big, so it's big enough to fit my phone. And did you guys see that? Yeah. Also, there were a couple of pair of shoes. I got a shoe, but it's also for a friend. So these are basically, did I get, okay, yeah, the white top I'm wearing here. Now guys, all of these things were part of the package that I paid 6 grand for. Can you beat that? This is me looking bougie on a sachet water budget, because what, girl, I'm gonna be staying away, okay, this Christmas. I'm gonna be filming hauls with this outfit, so you guys want to see them, stick around, subscribe, turn on the notification bell by clicking that bell beside the subscribe button and clicking on all, and then sit back and enjoy the ride. Alright, till next time. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. As always, bye.